What's up YouTube, it's your boy Junior here, bringing you another great video to the channel. If this is your first time here guys, I highly suggest, and I do mean highly suggest, you go ahead and click on the subscribe button, enable bell notifications so you guys get notified every time we drop great videos like this one or whenever we go live. Because trust me guys, you never ever want to miss out on great things like this. But anyways, today guys, I did want to bring you another video on another car tool that I needed. It's not really a car tool, but it's a part of the car tools that you need. As you guys know, some time long ago, yes, and I do mean a long ago because I haven't even used this tool that I bought. I did a review on an air compressor. Yeah, I have an air compressor that since the day I bought it, I only bought it because it was on sale and I didn't want to pay the full price. I was like, I know I'm going to use it. Let me buy it now and I'll use it down the road later on. Because air compressor, sometimes you do need it when you work on cars. So I do need it. And it's also good if you just want to have unlimited supply of compressed air for your car tires, your bikes, your basketballs, whatever. Instead of you pumping them up, you can use this. So the main reason why I haven't bought it, I haven't used it, I haven't bought it, I bought it, I just haven't used it, is because I've been too busy, one. Second is I haven't had really a reason to use it at the moment. And third is because I don't have the compressed air hose for it. I don't have a hose to hook up to it and use my tools. I do have tools, compressed air tools in my garage that I could use, but I don't use it. Why? Because I don't have the hose and the attachment kit on it. So what I had to do I decided, just because I saw it online, I was like, oh, I need a guy to get this. I went on Amazon and bought a 25-foot air compressor hose kit. Yes, I bought the whole kit. It comes with attachments and a little extra goodies. And this, I believe was 25 bucks after shipping tax. It wasn't that much. So sometimes they go on sale. I might have gotten it on sale, but I'll leave a link down below if you do want to get this so you guys can have it for yourself if you want to get it. But I bought this one because I thought it was pretty cool and it was a whole kit. Is it the best hose? No. But I bought it for now because I'm not going to use, I'll tell you why it's not the best hose, the best kit at all, because the hose itself, it can only hold up to 200 psi max. Anything more than that, you're gonna have to replace the hose with a stronger hose. The average hose, I think, holds 1100 psi, if I'm not mistaken, which I am gonna get, but I needed something to do, and it's gonna take way less than 200 psi. Why would you get this hose? This hose will be good if you need to inflate tires on the car, bike, whatever, balls. You need to use like compressed air for blow stuff away. There's many reasons why you would use this kind of line, but it's not highly recommended to use it for all your power tools. But I bought it just because I needed something for now to do something, and this is gonna be perfect. So let me go and unbox and show you everything inside. So when you buy it, it comes in this box right here. This is a plain white box. This is how I got it. You know, because I'm pretty sure this was a Chinese brand that they use Amazon affiliates to mass produce it and sell it. So hey, I bought it, it was cheap, why not, right? So we're gonna open it up. So when you open it up, you get all the tools inside here. As you see, it looks like it's all compressed together. So this hose, yeah, it's everything. This is the whole kit right here. This hose right here takes only 200 psi. Actually, okay, let me rephrase that. When I read it online, it said 200 psi max. I'm like, that's more than enough than I need. But if I'm reading right on the hose itself, you're not gonna be able to see it. I doubt it. I don't think you're gonna be able to see it. If you can see it, great. If you can't, it says it holds a maximum of 400 psi. So, hey, it might work. All right, so this has a whole bunch of stuff, and I do see the whole kit inside. So this hose right here, I did want to mention, as you see, is rolled up. It's a coil hose. It's 25 feet long, but it's coil. So it's not gonna be all flapped everywhere. So when you're using it, if you let go, it's gonna coil back like a spring. So this is the whole kit right here. Let me open it up. Oh, okay, so the attachments are inside. Okay, so these are all the attachments here, and this is the hose right here. I'm not gonna take the whole hose out because I'm not gonna use it right now at this moment. But I'm gonna take it all out when I get to my garage. But this is the hose right here, and it's 25 feet if you stretch it out completely. But as you see, the hose itself it's pretty small. It's not your normal hose you see at like mechanic shops or stuff like that. But again, I'm only gonna use this for small items right now. So if you're gonna use power tools to use this, I wouldn't recommend it. I recommend you get the bigger hose. But the main purpose, I got this one because I needed this real quick, like I said. And it came with all this kit that you can use on any hose you want. All right, so let's take a look at what they have here. So it comes with a lot of things. All right, let me open it up here because it is closed. So they did provide you some seal tape. This is when you create the attachments and put them on your air compressed tools, and you want to seal the thread on there. This is what you use, which is good to have. They provide you this nozzle right here. This is an air spray nozzle, so if you want to spray air to clean something up or spray air, basically. This is all it is. You attach it right here. This is where you attach the nozzle, and then you can connect it to this. And with these, come with these quick release clips right here. This is what you attach to the hose. And hold on. And these are the things that you attach to the tools. As you see, is a male version. The male version is when you attach the tools here. Since this already has seal tape on there, I'm gonna put this one right here real quick so you can see. So you take this and you squeeze it on here, and you tighten it. I'm not gonna tighten it all the way. And then when you're ready, you hook this side up to the hose, which I'll show you right now because I got part of it out. So you take this side up. I'm not gonna compress it all the way down because I still gotta seal it. I gotta put the seal on here. So when you have this all hooked up like this, let's say you have it all hooked up, it's all sealed and everything, and you wanna use it, you just push it in here. You push this down, push this in here, and then you use it. You turn on the compressor and spray. That's how simple it is. So it does come with everything you need to have it up and running. So let me, because I don't want to put it on here yet. So you see it comes with the quick release that I just showed you. Comes with the nozzles you needed for your attachments. So these, it only comes with a few, not a lot. So with these, I would suggest you go ahead and buy a bunch of these. You could buy these separately at any hardware store, or I'm pretty sure automotive stores as well. Anywhere that sells compressors, you can use this with, which is awesome. So it gives you a few. So like I said, the compressor sprayer right there, the quick release nozzles. All right, let's see how many. So it does come with, looks like it comes with 3. Yes, comes with 3 2 attachment nozzles, as you see, and they already have the seals on them, the tape seals. So it comes with 3, so you can hook up 3 tools to this one unless you need to buy more. All right, and then they got 2 of these nozzles, ones right here. And the difference is, you see, these are females. So these will be compressed onto the hose. One of them will be on the hose, and the other one will be on a tool probably that has a male end onto it, and then you want to use this to compress it on there. It's very simple. Or if you want to use put this attachment inside one of your power tools, and then you stick this in here. So this is a male to male thread one right here, as you see. So let's say this was my power tool. I would take this, attach it here, and then I'll touch this nozzle there, and boom, I'm all set there. Whoop. Drop there. All right. Inside this kit also, it comes with a tire gauge reader. Even though this is an obsolete one, the digital ones now are better. They got the nozzle right here. This nozzle goes attached to right here. Right here. Let me put it on there so you guys can have it. Boom, there you go. And then you got a nozzle there. So direct spray, then you want to take it out, you can have a more open spray. All right. Let's see. This right here is a great tool. This is the tool I was talking about. So if you use this, attach it here, This is to fill up tires, whether it be on a motorcycle, car, or bicycle, even basketball, you could use this. And they also provide for the people that want to do it, the tire ones right here for the basketball. For any kind of balls, they give you those nozzle kit there. And that looks like it's all the whole kit here, guys. They also have this little filler here. I don't know what you call this one right here. It has some grip on there, so if you connect a plastic hose to it, you can use it. It keeps it tight in there. So you got that there, and that's the whole kit here, guys. So if you did want to get this and add it to your garage collection, I'll leave a link down below so where you can get it. Again, this was just a cheap little toolkit I wanted to pick up for my air compressor, since I have nothing to hook up anything on my air compressor. And there's times that I ran out, I needed air in my tire, and I'm like, okay, how am I gonna do this? Instead of using the portable air compressor that I have keep in my car, I could just hook this up real quick, take me 2 seconds, and done. Instead of taking the whole thing out, turning it on, it's a pain in the butt. But yeah, again, that's the whole kit. If you like everything I showed you today and then you're interested in this, I'll leave a link down below so you can go and click on it and buy it for yourself. But if you like the video and everything I showed you today, go ahead and give me a big old thumbs up. Show me all the love and support that you guys love to show the channel. Also, don't forget to hit that share button. Sharing is caring. And we want to make sure that everybody's aware of everything we do on this channel, so they're not missing out, just like you're not missing out. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, put them in the comment box down below, and I'll get to you as soon as I can, when I can, as fast as I can. And if you still haven't done so to the end of the video, guys, hit that subscribe button and enable bell notifications so you guys get notified every time we drop great videos like this one or whenever we go live. Because trust me, guys, you're not going to miss out. And that's it for today, guys. Until next time, I'm out of here. Peace.